In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SKU numbers for Shopify 2025. A SKU, or Stock Keeping Unit, is a unique identifier you assign to each product so you can track inventory, speed up fulfillment, and keep reports clean. Clear, consistent SKUs save time, prevent errors, and make it easier to search for products in your Shopify admin. Let's set one up together. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Products. This takes you to your full product list. Choose the product you want to work on. For example, I'll open a product like a classic long sleeve. Clicking the product name brings you to its details page, where you can edit pricing, inventory, and more. Scroll to the inventory section and find the field labeled SKU. Click into the SKU field to place your cursor there. This is where you'll type your unique code. Keep your format simple and consistent. Many stores use a structure like a short brand or store prefix, a product identifier, and an attribute, separated by hyphens. For instance, something like CLS-LS-BLKS could stand for a classic long sleeve in black, size small. You can choose any convention that fits your catalog, but aim for clarity, brevity, and uniqueness. Type your chosen SKU into the highlighted field. If your page shows the full label SKU, Stock Keeping Unit, you're in the right place. Double-check for typos and avoid characters that can cause confusion, like spaces or slashes. Hyphens or underscores are usually safe, and using uppercase letters helps keep everything legible. If your product has variants, remember that each variant should have its own unique SKU. You'll repeat the same approach for each size or color so your inventory counts stay accurate. Even if you don't add those now, plan your format so it scales smoothly as your product line grows. When you're happy with the entry, look to the top right and click Save. Give Shopify a moment to confirm the change. After saving, you can use that SKU to search for the item in your admin, reference it on packing slips, and keep your stock reconciled. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep a simple master list of your SKU rules, stay consistent as you add new products, and try not to change SKUs once orders exist, since they're tied to reporting and historical data. That's it. Your SKU is set. Thanks for watching.